Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, ittabi' ma uhiya ilayka min rabbik, la ilaha illa hu, وَأَعْرِضْ عَنِ الْمُشْرِكِينَ. Translation: follow that what is revealed to you from your Rabb. There is no Allah except Him, and avoid the polytheists, mushriks, who associate others with Allah. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given His signs and verses clearly in diverse ways, but some people continue to reject those. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you should trust and depend on only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and follow His commandments, and should not worry about the polytheists and the non-believers, because if they are not getting the message with all these clear signs and ayahs, this is not your fault. Naturally, a prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a very kind heart, and he is wanting that each and every human should come in the castle of Islam and should save himself from the hellfire. But it is not possible because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's absolute hikmah. He has made this world as a place for an exam, and if someone wants to take exam with the right knowledge and right action, he will pass the exam. And if somebody just become arrogant and refuses and denies all the signs around him and continues to go against his own heart and his own testimony of truth, he will fail the exam, and the Prophet is not responsible for his action. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ مَا أَشْرَكُوا وَمَا جَعَلْنَاكَ عَلَيْهِمْ حَفِيظًا وَمَا أَنْتَ عَلَيْهِمْ بِوَكِيلٍ. Translation: and if Allah had so willed, they would not have been polytheists associating others with Him, and we have not made you a warden to watch over them, and you are not their pleader or guardian. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that He has allowed people to do this polytheism, because if Allah wills, nobody can do the polytheism or shirk. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned this, that if He wills, everyone will become a mu'min and everyone will accept Islam as the messengers of Allah want. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the humans a choice, and they can come to Islam or they can reject Islam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the prophets responsible for delivering the message, but He has not made the prophets a warden or a pleader or a guardian. And the prophets will not be asked about the mushrikeen, that why did they do shirk and why did they not accept Islam. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.